Ka Ribhoi College hakalai phuai tarik risau kalapan kutno iaka taiew lehkmen ne college event Hapdeng ka jingiphuh iphieng da ka jinga shimbenta shirhem ki samla puli ha ki jinga ko bapher kani ka taiew lehkmen ka sedang nadu ka arpasan tarik risau halor kapang. The dreams of today are the realities of tomorrow. Ha ka sngipun kut ladon lang UMLA ka nongpo ba Meryl Bonds uba RR makdo dekot jong ka governing body kum usembut kongsan UEC Benny principal kinohikai bat kisamla puli jong ka college. Uba Meryl Bonds haka jingkren ulapan pau ka jingkemen bandon lang bat kisamla puli haka taiew lehkmen ka balong kawai ka rensan ka bat kisamla ki yoklat banse yalai kisap ki phong bapher na lor ka puli puthi. Haka ni kasngi ka Ribhoi College Students Union RBC SU kalapun ko buram ru yaki katu ka ningut ki riu rangba kibla no senyang sya ka college.
That I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character, unquote. So, it is important that the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. it has fulfilled because he dared to dream in 1963 where the white skin and the black skin that time they have different shape in the society and now they are apart because of someone who has dreamt for them. Today also the theme that has been put forward. The question is that to all the students who are here, do you dare to dream or not that you will become someone someday? It is $1 million question to each and every one of us. Because sometimes we just waste our time at pointing fingers at others, criticize at others, but ourselves, we are not doing anything. This is very prevalent in present day generation. Someone will just sit at home reading newspaper in the morning and then criticize at the system, criticize at the society, criticize at young student, criticize and to whatever is happening. But do we feel or not to ourselves that we have to participate, that we have to do something? Let's start from ourselves to build a better society. Let's dream something to become someone. Let's dream something to bring a better society. That is the expectation of the present day generation.
She Indonesia.